Where will we go? Who will we be? What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitty, kitties, let's
go. The gift.
What do you want to play today, Kate?
Let's look in the box. Look, elf hats.
We could be Santa's helpers.
Ho, ho, ho!
Go, kitty, kitties, let's go, go, go!
Kit and Kate set off for Santa's workshop at the North Pole. And no sooner did they arrive than it was time to get to work.
All right, elves, break time's over. Present wrappers, take your places.
I guess that's us.
Yes, that's you.
Here comes the first present, Kit.
Got it. He'll never guess what's in here.
This one's ready for Santa's sleigh.
Here comes another one. Here you go, Kate. Kate, look.
Whoa, a hoverboard.
It's just like the one we wished for.
He's so lucky. Wow, he's getting another present?
No way! Look!
Another hoverboard?
We should keep this one.
Yeah, he's already getting one. He won't miss it.
Ho, ho, ho! Everything packed and ready to go?
Ready for takeoff, Santa!
Excellent! Then it's time for me to bring these presents to all the good girls and boys. Ho, ho, ho!
Kit and Kate rushed off to try the new hoverboard. They had so much fun, they kept riding and riding all through the night until Santa returned from delivering all of his presents.
What's the matter, Santa?
I lost one of the presents. A hoverboard.
You didn't lose it.
It's over here.
You took it? Why?
Well, we were wishing for a hoverboard.
And he didn't need two.
Two? No, one was for Teddy Bear and that one was for his twin brother, Timmy. Now, Timmy got nothing, and he was such a good boy this year.
We're sorry.
Here, take it to him.
It's too late. That's your present now. Merry Christmas.
I don't want this anymore.
I feel awful.
Then along came a mysterious stranger.
Isn't this yours?
Yeah. Well, it was supposed to be for a good little boy.
But it was just what we wanted for Christmas, so we took it.
That's not right.
We asked Santa to take it back, but it was too late.
So he told us to keep it.
So, you got what you wished for.
We didn't wish for the boy to be sad.
Or for Santa to be so upset.
Ah, so that's why you don't want it anymore.
Yeah. How can you have fun with something when you know that getting it made other people sad?
I get it. Getting what you want isn't all that matters.
Right. How you get it matters too.
Thanks, Dad.
Hey, how did you know?
Let's try again, Kate. But this time, we won't take anything that isn't ours.
Like good kittens.
Now we know, so back we go!
Kit and Kate started their workshop adventure all over again. But this time, instead of being jealous, the kittens were excited for the good boys and girls all around the world.
Timmy and Teddy are going to be so surprised!
And have so much fun racing each other.
I wish I could see their faces when they get these.
Ho, ho, ho! Everything packed and ready to go?
Ready for takeoff, Santa!
You two have really been very good kitties this year. Thank you.
Santa! Wait! You forgot some presents!
Kit, look! They're for us!
Thank you, Santa!
Merry Christmas!
What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
One big mess.
What do you want to play today, Kate?
Let's look in the box.
Look, Kate, flight helmets.
Let's be jet pilots.
Yeah, and do supersonic loop-de-loops. Go, kitties, let's go!
Kit and Kate took off from their magical box and flew non-stop to the Supersonic City Airport.
Excuse me, sir.
Mayday, mayday! Woo! Didn't see you kitties come in. What can I do you for?
We'd like to fly a jet, please.
Sure, how about that one?
Wow!
Where did I put that key? All right, it's back in my office. I'm kind of busy right now, so feel free to go on in and find that key. I know it's in there.
No problem.
We'll be flying in no time, Kate.
Sorry, it's a bit messy.
Yeah, just a bit.
If you just put these things back on the shelves, I'm sure you'll find that key in there.
This is one big mess.
There's no way we can clean up all of this and find that key.
I know what to do. This magnet will find the key. Watch. I think I got it, Kate.
That's a fork.
Look out!
Did you find it?
No.
I know it's in there.
Well, if you can't go through, go under.
Are you sure this is the right way?
Oh, yeah. That key should be right over our heads.
Did you find it?
Not exactly.
I know it's in there.
We'll just go out to the middle of the room and look straight down.
It'll be so much easier to see it from up here.
Hey, thanks for bringing my stuff down from the attic. Did you find that key?
No.
I know it's in there somewhere.
Forget it, Kate. We'll never find that key.
Yeah, and it's already getting dark.
So much for flying today.
Then along came a mysterious stranger.
What's the matter?
We wanted to go flying, but we couldn't find the key to the jet.
Why not?
It's lost in the middle of a really messy office.
Yeah, it's just one big mess.
One big mess? You mean it's all stuck together?
Don't be silly. It's a lot of little things in a big pile.
Well, could you put away one of those things?
Sure.
How about 2 little things?
No problem.
And how about 3?
Now I understand. A big job isn't so big if you see it as lots of little jobs.
Now that kind of thinking is the key to success.
Thanks, Dad.
Hey, how did you know?
Let's try again, Kate. But this time we'll remember that if you need to do something big, just do a little at a time.
Now we know, so back we go.
Kit and Kate started their supersonic adventure all over again. But this time, instead of thinking they had to get through one big mess, they looked at their job a little differently.
A big job's nothing but a bunch of little ones. A bunch of little ones. A bunch of little ones. A big job's nothing but a bunch of little ones. Move a bunch of ounces and soon you moved a ton. Look, Kit, I found the key.
I knew it was in here.
Come on, Kate. It's time for a little flying. Hold on, Kate.